Florida out 20 nautical miles until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Gasparilla Island, moving west at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, sudden high waves, frequent lightning downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations include Gasparilla Island and Coxida.
Oh, it activated normally. This marine warning came out of nowhere and they toned it late too.
Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern, scattered showers.
Here we have an SVA 389.
In the lower 90s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. These two didn't go off.
Storm watch number 389, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Charlotte, DeSoto, Hardee, Manatee, and Sarasota, and the following marine locations: Charlotte Harbor and Pine Island Sound, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs.
Is WGCU gonna relay that?
And coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe
I guess
storm
not.
watch means that conditions are favorable for development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial
And this
radio,
didn't
and
go off.
television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 389 has been issued from 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Charlotte, DeSoto, Hardee, Manatee, and Sarasota, and the following marine locations: Charlotte Harbor and Pine Island.
These two didn't go off.
Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles. And
I'll count it anyway.
Bonita Beach to Englewood now for the official national weather.
Oh, new alert. Double header. What's this? Marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a
This went off that time.
for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, Tampa Bay waters, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Sunshine Skyway Bridge, moving south at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Terracea Bay, Manatee 3 Mile North Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Manatee 7 Mile South Reef, Egmont Key, Longboat Key, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, St. Pete Beach, Anna Maria Island, Casa Grille Channel, Southwest Channel, Manatee 1 Mile Reef, Manatee 3 Mile South Reef, Passage Key Inlet and Longboat Pass. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 3 a.m. Saturday, June 18th, 2020. For the
So we had
WG59 listening area. For the following
So we had a few radios not activate for the SVA.
Manatee,
How's this?
Sarasota, and Charlotte.
Unfortunately, the signal was not strong enough for the CL100 and the HH to receive the alert on WXK83, so therefore these two did not go off. And this did not receive the SVA either, but it did receive the SMW. This got it. Alright then. Okay, since my BC370 did not go off in the SVA because WGCU does not relay them, I'm gonna do this. For the hell of it. This is a previous SVA that happened a little while ago. Alright, there you go.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe
That's going off
warning
late.
for northwestern
Good job, Zone Guard.
in South Central Florida, East Central Harvey County, and Central Florida until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Avon Park and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts
This
and
probably
quarter-size
will not
hail.
receive.
Source: radar indicated.
Or whatever.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Highlands County in South Central Florida, East Central Harvey County, and Central Florida until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sebring Shores and Avon Park Executive Airport.
Weather alert. Weather alert.
Over to your room on the lowest floor of the building.
Here's a flashing.
3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Harvey, Florida. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
High enclosure, which have those food and gas prices eating into that home budget. At Mr. Bill's Windows.
Yep. Here they go. Let me go silence these. Copyright, 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 copyright.
Avon Park and is nearly stationary. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Highlands County in South Central Florida, East Central Harvey County, and Central Florida until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Avon Park and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sebring, Avon Park, Sebring Shores, and Avon Park Executive Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Harvey, Florida.
Alright, that's that. And my storm shield went off, so this is probably... Zone Guard's doing that thing again.
Northwestern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, southeastern Sarasota County in west central Florida until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh gosh.
At 3:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near North Port and is
Weather
nearly
alert.
stationary.
Weather alert.
Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind. For your 3:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight, the lowest floor of the thunderstorm was located near North Port. Thunderstorm warning has been
It's pouring rain.
Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Florida, Charlotte, and Sarasota. Source: radar indicated. Damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties:
Okay.
in Florida,
That's-
Charlotte, and Sarasota.
Actually, WGCU, hold on.
May cause illnesses to occur. Bring plenty of fluids.
Oh, I missed their relay for that. Yeah, I did. Oh well. Well, I will get WSRZ's relay. Copyright, copyright, copyright. There goes WSRZ now.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, southeastern Sarasota County in west central Florida until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
And also, watch this. WGCU now has HD alerts. Let me get to it. Watch. If it'll work.
Stories, absent any discussion of politics or policy or anything like that, just to be talking about who they truly are. I think that could
Yeah, it does.
Weather alert. Weather alert.
Yeah, this is... Yeah, WGCU now has HD alerts. Yeah, that was... Change it back. That's the end of WSRZ's relay. That's a good song. Anyway, that's it.
In Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Manatee County in west central Florida, northeastern Sarasota County.
KHP 32 probably went off. I guess I can count it.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations
And WGIS is not relaying. Let's get WSRZ on.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. The thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Manatee, and Sarasota. Heat advisory in effect from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday.
Now we just wait for WSRZ to relay. They should relay. There it goes.
Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Manatee County in west central Florida, northeastern Sarasota County in west central Florida until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mayaca River State Park, over 15 miles north of Northport, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage.
Really, 167? Good job, that's all I can say.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Manatee, Florida.
Oh, that was off of KHP 32. How is that even possible? Alright, that's it. Let's record it right here.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for Charlotte
SMW
Harbor and
this
Pine
time.
Island Sound. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Bonita Eastern Daylight Time. At
I'm not gonna worry about
4:39 p.m.
WXK83.
Eastern Daylight Time, Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles northeast of Don Pedro Island to 14 nautical miles east of Minnesota Key to near Englewood, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Gasparilla Island, Englewood, M6 Reef, M15 Reef, M9 Reef, Venice Inlet, Minnesota Key, Sanibel, Venice, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, Fort Myers Beach, M10 Reef, M5 Reef, M16 Reef, Captiva, Don Pedro Island, Bonita Beach, and Siesta Key. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
And I'm trying to eat my dinner. Another SVR, what the hell?
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, southern DeSoto County in south central Florida, east central Sarasota County and west central Florida until 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south.
111.
Nearly stationary to severe thunderstorm warning 50 miles an hour wind gusts.
This thing can be annoying sometimes. Let's get WSRC ready. Charlotte. No, yeah, it's not for. It's for the northeastern part of the county. I'm on the northwestern part of the county. Let's wait for them to relay. Let's shut this door right here.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:00 daylight time for the following Florida, Charlotte, and DeSoto and Sarasota.
No Guagueate Radio WWG59, servida por 162.4 MHz.
The current time is 4:54 p.m. 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Charlotte, DeSoto, and Sarasota.
WSRC is going.
County in southwestern Florida, southern DeSoto County in south central Florida.
111.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, southern DeSoto County in south central Florida, east central Sarasota County in west central Florida, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Arcadia to near southeast Arcadia to 11 miles northeast of Port Charlotte, and are nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northport, Punta
That was the clip on my case.
Arcadia, Nocatee, Babcock Ranch, Harvard Heights, Cleveland, Lake City, and Savannah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Charlotte, DeSoto, and Sarasota.
That was off WWG 59.
Until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts, minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details at 3:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Here's a scroll.
Radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms.
Weather alert.
Flooding is
Weather alert.
ongoing or expected.
The thing likes to go off again every so often.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
There's no other alert. This thing likes to go off again every so often.
2 inches are expected over the area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Northport and Warm Mineral Springs.
I'll just do this.
HTTPS
Either way, it's
safety
or whatever.
Flood turnaround. Don't Don't drown when encountering flooded
I'm
roads.
gonna keep this one on.
Most flood gas-
Alright.
111-1113.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, southeastern DeSoto County in south central Florida, northeastern Lee County in southwestern Florida, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Country when you have people at peace.
13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located
WGCU.
along a line extending from 13 miles southeast.
Maybe WGIS too.
Moving south at 5 miles an hour. Source has radar 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Let's get WSRZ on. This is out of commission for right now. Until I don't know.
Tropical Gulf Acres, Babcock Ranch, Alva and Suncoast Estates. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Charlotte, DeSoto, and Lee. Heat advisory in effect from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. What? Heat index values up to 112 expected. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause illnesses to occur. Drink plenty of fluids.
And I don't know if WSRZ hasn't gone off yet.
Southeast of Buckhead Ridge, moving southwest at 30 knots.
Lake Okeechobee SMW.
Gusts to nearly 50 knots and small.
Yeah, but Lake Okeechobee SMW, and I'm actually getting WXK 83A right now.
Small craft could be damaged and briefly
There's our car.
and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
LOL.
Severe thunderstorm watch now. Waters from Englewood to Repeating, the severe thunderstorm watch number 389 has been canceled
They
for the
cancel?
following marine location. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles.
It's like, Englewood.
Heat advisory remains
Okay.
in effect until 6 p.m.
Let's see what I don't think I'm getting WXK 83A anymore. I think that said large hail too. I'll double check. I heard structural damage, so I think that said large hail too, so I'll double check that too. See if I can get Naples. I think I'm hearing something.
Locations impacted include Naples, Vanderbilt Beach, Bonita Shores, and Marco Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. Here is the hazard.
I actually got
Around 2
Naples
feet.
for that one
About
SMW.
20 nautical miles until 8:15 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending
It's
from
very
near
strong right
Chevalier
now.
Bay to Marco Island, moving south at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar.
This is crystal clear.
Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chokoloskee, Highland Point, Chevalier Bay, Cape Romano Aquatic Preserve, Cape Romano and Marco Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
Cool.
The thunderstorms over mainland Monroe County will move offshore by 8:30 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include D Tower, Highland Point, Big Lostman's Bay and Shark Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The Marine Forecast.
So we've reached the end of this slight risk event, and see a few radios still have warning lights on, as you can see. That's because four radios decode an SVR as a 6-hour event. This is one of them. This one was one of them. WR400, HH, WR100, and the WR120. All decoded in SVR for 6-hour events. And this guy went off for an unrecognized message earlier, technically. Everything else is good. All the lights are out now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this compilation, and I'll see you in the next one.